Hi, I'm Manu and welcome to my channel A Handful of Art. I bring art and craft ideas and tutorials. Do hit the bell icon to never miss an update and to subscribe to our channel to help us create more creative content for you. So today's video is all about making something from trash to treasure, and let's see how we can make a very simple box into this gorgeous box. Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today we will be using the Transforme sheets to alter some home decor projects. So what we will to do today is we will transfer this trinket box which I have colored with the chalk paint using the Transforme sheets by Dress My Craft. But before we start this transformation, let's see a few previous projects that I have done. So this set of coasters was done using the Transforme sheets, and the video description for the process on how to do these transfers is in the description box below. So you can find another video on my YouTube channel which shows you how we have done this transfers using the Transforme sheets. The best part about Transforme sheets is these are really very easy to use, and you can transform just about everything. For example, this plain vase that I bought from a pottery shop, and I just used the Transforme sheet and transformed it into something so unique, so gorgeous and very beautiful. So I just like to pop in a little flower bunch and put it on my desk when I work. So a few flowers all around is all that you need. See how gorgeous this looks? Okay, so let's start with today's project of transforming this trinket box. So these are the Transforme sheets by Dress My Craft. They are available on the website www.crafterscorner.in and www.dressmycraft.com. So these are manufactured by Dress My Craft. It is an Indian brand that makes very gorgeous projects, the pattern papers, and they have a whole lot of other varieties. Do go to their website to see all of them. So the instructions to do this is on the paperback, and it is very easy. So I would be using up these three pattern papers, these three Transforme sheets to alter my trinket box. So the first thing you need to do is you need to take out the Transforme sheet from the packaging. This is how it comes, and you can cut whatever you want to put in over here. For example, I want the queenbee.co.in from this Transforme sheet. Cut the Transforme sheet as close to the design as possible. And then you can decide on the placement for these transfers. So I have all my elements cut out now, and I'll try to make the best possible arrangements with these elements. I wanted to go like this, half of it, and I also want to place the bird this way. And this is an add-on where I will put it out on the various edges. This vintage flower one, I want to put it over here. So let's start. So all you need is a bowl of water. So the first thing is we'll put on this. So when you do the transfers, there is a very thin sheet of plastic, so you need to pull that out, discard it, and put this upside down in the bowl of water. Dip it for about 5 to 10 seconds. You will know that the transfer is ready when you will be able to see the whole image on the back side. So I now know that the transfer is ready. So just hold it for a second to and place it over here. Just dab it with a little piece of with a piece of cloth, a little, and you will see that you will be able to slide it. How easy peasy, right? I am really liking the box now. So let's move on to the second one. So this is the flap panel that I wanted, and we'll peel off the plastic layering and dip it in the bowl of water. So this design is bigger, so it will take a little. Okay, so this is done. So I know the words are here, so I will put it up like this. So if you see, you will be able to slide it off easily and magically. Let's say magically, because this is really very magical to look at. So what you can do is, to remove the creases, just take a brush and crease it out, just stroke it out. You can also use the cloth that you had. Just wipe it down once so that all the creases and everything moves out. Are you really liking it? I am really loving it till now. So what I'll need to do is, I need to cut it off from the lid portion so that it will be easy to open the lid and close. So see, it is very easy using the Transform sheets to transform any of your home decor. Liking it till now? So we will put the next portion over here. I'll slide it down. You don't need to keep it for a long time in this, just 5 or 6 seconds, and as and when the image it appears to be very clear and solid, that is when you need to take it out of water and just hold it for in the water for about like 2-3 seconds so that the excess water gets stripped off. Place it and smooth it out. See the magic happening. Right. So I place it upside down, but still I like it, so I think I'll keep it this way. So the next is this butterfly that I wanted. So remember, the next time when you do it, and if your image has sentiments, just make sure that you do it the right sentiment, the correct ways. Sit over here. Just dab it, I took the blue butterfly because I thought it will give a very good contrast with the whole, no, the pinks and the reds. So this element is left. So what I will do is I'll just put it out into two portions. I'll cut it out. I'll place one portion over here and one on the other side. So while it is still wet, you can use your fingers to, you know, gently spread it around so that everything is, you know, it so that it doesn't get messed up a little. So you can use your fingers and very gentle motions to smooth it out. So as you see, a little of the text got out of the way, and well, I think it was not coming off properly. Okay, so this is how my simple box looks. Quite elegant now, right? So I really hope you enjoyed the process, and all the material list is in the description box below. If you want to purchase, you can go to the link and purchase them. Do watch the video for this coasters, and I am sure you will love these coasters. So after this is done, you need to take about 10 to 15 minutes to let it rest, and after that you can just paint it with varnish to seal everything so that everything stays in place and the colors do not dry out or something like that. But just varnish it at the end so that, you know, it is more durable. And I hope you like the process. Thank you for watching. Thank you for staying with me till the end, and if you have any queries and questions, you can jot down in the comment box below and I shall get back to you soon.